Guys, there's the walkway from the Grand Floridian to the Magic Kingdom. By the time you probably see this video, it will be open. So guys, we made it over to Chef Mickey's. They bring all the food to you rather than you going up to the bar to get it. So it's kind of like family style. And I don't think the characters come out and wave. I don't know that. So
I've heard they do though.
yeah. Because that's what we've been seeing around property. The characters will pop out and wave from a distance. Yeah. We're sitting in the Avatar line. It's what? 70-minute wait.
Some of the gift shop.
But it moves and everybody's spaced out. So.
It does move.
It just isn't
the
all
reason
long.
the line appears to be so long is because of the way they have everybody spaced.
6 feet.
6 feet apart. So there's big gaps.
You do 1,000 people 6 feet, you got 6,000 foot line.
Yeah. So, but it's humid here today.
Yeah, it just keeps moving.
I'll show you what the line looks like by bringing the camera down. What I'm talking about.
Our turn is right up here.
Yeah.
As soon as we find the turn, we're in.
Look. See?
She's the turn person.
Right here. So you have to stop on these markers. So that's why there's such a big gap. And the markers just keep going. And you gotta follow the markers. And occasionally they will have different characters come by on boats. Like a little while ago they had Mickey, but I didn't capture it because I didn't have the camera out. But they come and they ride on the boat and say hi to you.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll see me. I'll be right back.
There's Chip and Dale and Goofy all dressed up. the spa. The health club. I'll show y'all what it looks like when I get there. I'm taking the walking path. It's a nice breezy day here. So in case you're wondering where the health club is, these are the Disney Vacation Club villas in their lobby right here. And right across the street from it is the health club. And then off over there is the main lobby. So you just turn right in here. It's right over there. You do need a magic band to get in. DVC Polynesian guest, and I think regular guests that are staying at the Poly too can use this. Because I'm staying at the Poly, I would use this one. There we go. And there's the gym. So I'm going to get a quick workout in. So I did a quick 20 minutes of just weightlifting. I didn't do cardio because we're walking everywhere. And I don't have my mask on because I'm the only one in this space. So, but I'm gonna head back to the Polynesian because we have a dining reservation this evening in Disney Springs. But just wanted to take y'all along, show y'all the gym. We went to Animal Kingdom today and got on the rides, and there's no shows or anything like that, so we left Animal Kingdom pretty early because there wasn't a lot to do, but we had a good time. So we're only doing Animal Kingdom one time this trip. We're doing the other parks multiple days. So, but yep, let me head back over to the Poly and I will catch y'all later. That breeze feels good after that lifting. It's nice. And I should have started recording earlier because the monorail was going by. And I think we're supposed to get rain tonight. It's really breezy here, but very sunny right now. But it's supposed to rain tonight, which is okay with us because we're not going to be in a park this evening. Like I said, we left Animal Kingdom and we're done there for today. We just are going to go to our dining reservation. I'll show you all that later. Wait, there's the monorail. Y'all see it? We love the monorail. And of course, as y'all know, right now they're working at the Poly, so you can't get on the monorail at the Poly, but that's okay. You can still get on the monorail at ITT. And we have been utilizing it that way. And I'm so excited about that walk path. It's like almost time for it to open. I told Dan, I said, watch, we're gonna leave, and then like the week after, it'll probably open. But looking forward to utilizing that on our next trip. See, and this is why I didn't do cardio. Because I'm power walking back to the room. And we have been power walking all week. Yesterday we got over 20,000 steps in. So you definitely get your cardio here. But I needed to do some lifting. Guys, we're going to be dining at the Rainforest Café in Disney Springs tonight. Thank you. Look at the fruit. That's awesome. Doesn't that fruit look good?
Yeah.
I got a Caesar salad, and then Dan ordered an appetizer for the table, quesadilla. So we're also waiting on that. I completely forgot to video our appetizer. But we had shrimp chicken quesadillas.
I think it's chicken and cheese.
Chicken and cheese quesadillas. They're really good.
I didn't realize it was that big.
I know, it's so big. Look at this big burger. It's like huge. And then I got their pasta lava. It's a Cajun shrimp pasta. So it's definitely got some spice. Dan and I got a slice of cheesecake and we are going to share it for dessert. Hey guys, we just got back to the room from Disney Springs after we ate at Rainforest Café. Hello, I'm tired, okay. We walked around. We went to the Disney Christmas ornament store, Goofy's candy shop. Where else did we go? I think that's it, because we had already done World of Disney, Trendy, Co-op. I even walked into the Kate Spade store and a couple of other stores, and got some stuff for the boys. I picked up a few things. Dan got something. And we ate, walked around, did some shopping, caught the bus. And now we're back in the room and we're tired. So we're just going to kind of chill out here tonight and look forward to tomorrow. So it was a good day. I will chat with y'all later. Bye. Oh, really quick. My hair and Florida weather, look at this. It is, look, I'm like looking in the camera here. It's crazy. It's this Florida, like, I don't know, humidity with my thick hair. It just, I can't do anything with it here. So I'm not even bothering anymore with this. Bye.